Yes, my name is Aakash and I'm working in Fornaio company, and my job is the production supervisor, and my job is to keep the products standard high. I use the mini scrubber 300 watt to clean the floor every day, like I can say like 30 minutes 40 minutes every day. Yeah, and yes, it is very easy to use. Just you need to turn on the floor scrubber, means the brush. You need to turn on the tap water, and once you start that, pour the water on the floor, means from the floor scrubber. I left that for 1 minute, so floor will be wet. So after that, you need to turn off the tap water and turn on only the brush and go with the floor scrubber. Once you finish that, you need to turn on the wiper that suck the water in. So once you finish that, the floor will be clean. It's like save your time, not like a manual job, like like human job. It's like everything is done by machine, so I can say it's easy. Once I buy the floor scrubber, that makes our job very easy because everyone can use this. It's very easy. Like you just turn on the switch. Once you turn on the switch, it's like like it's like driving a bicycle. So it's very easy. Obviously, I will recommend every companies to buy this product because it's very nice. Even once you buy this, you will save your time. You can clean your floor very nicely.